Alright, County Line Adventures is back. It's the 25th of July. It's Lee's birthday. It's probably going to be a week or two before we upload this, but one of the, I think, most underestimated foraging activities is wild raspberries that we happen to have a good number of in our yard. They've been going on for a few weeks now. This is late July, so probably for 2 or 3 weeks we've been getting a good number of raspberries, and the kids love to pick them. So we will see how many they can pick today. They'll fill their own little bowls up. I think this is kind of late, but we love looking for morel mushrooms, and I think the raspberries are just so much easier, and we happen to have them right here, and they're delicious. So alright guys, start looking. Take it easy.
I know what some are, Dad. Taking it easy, Dad.
Take it easy.
I can't.
There's a few other spots, okay?
I'm going to
Alright, we're in the backyard now. A couple weeks ago when they did this, they filled up like an entire, well not entire, but most of the colander full of raspberries. So now I think we're a little late, but there's still a few left back here. We'll see what we can find.
I got a tit. I got something. What is it?
It's just a stink bug or something in there.
Is it gonna eat them?
Oh, there's that.
I don't have any jeans on. I'm going. No, it's okay. I can do this. I have one camp on. Oh, Dad's gonna help me. Oh, he's there. Daddy, it's fine if I go and you have one camp. I'm picking right here. There's a picture. That's a picking. That's picking. Boy. I think Daddy's gonna say I'm winning. My Dad might say I'm winning. Might say no. Daddy has some.
My guess on these would be like beginning of July when they start to come in. So
my bowl.
we're kind of late right now. First real memories I have picking raspberries, wild raspberries. It goes to show that you can do it anywhere. We were kids. I mean, this was 20 years ago. We had friends that lived in town of Ephrata in south central Pennsylvania, Lancaster County, and they lived on the main street. I think it was Duke Street, if I remember. It's around there somewhere. But anyway, they didn't have any land, but we would go down where these train tracks were, and there would be wild raspberries down there. We'd just pick them and eat them, and it was an awesome thing to do as a kid. It's just enjoyable now, but we'll have to do better next year. We'll try to get a video more the beginning of July when they were all over. There was a bunch that we didn't get.
Hey, take that some.
There's Mir's bowl so far, Judah's bowl so far, and there's Lee's. Looks delicious.
Daddy, who's winning? You. Well, I think it help.
You can see there's a few up here we let go too long, but that's alright.
Oh, you're pushing me. Hurry, I got the really good one because of you. Judah, stop. Why am I the only one not fighting?
Alright guys, this is going to conclude our video. Like I said earlier, probably doing this a little bit late. This is probably going to be our last batch that we get, but if you start earlier in July, you'll be able to get a lot. We're in the Panhandle of West Virginia, so if you're anywhere near us, that's the timeline. It's probably going to vary depending on where you're at, but we're technically in the Northeast, so they want me to pick a winner. I'm not going to do that, but I'll let you guys in the comments. Look at the bowls. One at a time we got. Move around.
Yeah.
There's the Mir's bowl. There's Judah's bowl. There's Lee.
Okay.
Who do you think's the winner?
Me.
Yeah, we're all pretty close. We'll see what the comments say. It's Aaliyah's birthday. What do the people need to do, Lee, to help us out?
Say happy birthday.
Say happy birthday to Lee.
Happy birthday. Subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
And find your own berries.
And find your own berries.
Guys, I need them. Alright, eat them up. It's Mom's idea to put whipped cream on them. Are they good?
Yeah. Delicious. I'm gonna put some of my berries and sprinkle them on my whipped cream.